Hi, this is a video for learning the higher part of Blackbird. As usual, this time of year, I've lost my voice, so the high parts are going to be a bit interesting. If needs be, I'll just play it on the piano and you can get the idea. Okay, so we're singing the main tune, unison with the other part to start off with. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Then we have 4 beats and another 4 beats. Now it's the same tune but different lyrics. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Then the chorus. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly. Now this is the tricky bit. So it starts on the 4th beat of the bar. So we go fly 1 into the light of the dark black night. So that's slower than it should be. Just listen to it again. Into the light of the dark black night. So up to speed it would be blackbird white into the light of the dark black night. Okay, so that's quite tricky, that bit. You might need to practice it. Let's listen to it again. Into the light of the dark black night. And up to speed. 1, 2, 3. Into the light of the dark black night. And we might slow the tempo up a tiny bit there. And then you join straight into the next verse. So we've just finished off the chorus. Blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. 2. Dead of night. Then we're doing R rather than Chorus. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly. Then the tricky bit. Into the light of the dark black night. And then we have 3 bars rest here. And then we go back to the beginning verse. Blackbird singing in the dead of night, take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Then this is to la. La, 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 la. Let's just do that end bit. You're starting on a D. La, la, semitone, la, semitone, la, semitone, la. And keep your smiley voice there so that that bit doesn't go flat. Okay, so it's quite simple, it's quite repetitive. The only bit is that bit that needs a little bit of practice. Remember to push from your tummy, smile to get those high notes. Okay, well done.